All right, friends, today we are doing lesson LSR 3, and we are going to be looking at beginning sounds. So we have 3 pictures on the screen. Think for a minute of what you see. What could you say for each of these pictures? What are these things? And think about the letters that you see at the bottom of the screen. Let's go ahead and look at the first picture. The first picture is a red mushroom. So we call that a mushroom. Let's look at the next picture. It is a black and white penguin. Penguin. And we see some brown stairs. Stairs. We are going to look at the pictures and think about the beginning sound that we hear, and we are going to match the letter to the picture. Now, this is a reading strategy that you can do when you're reading books. Okay, so if you get stuck on a word, you can look at the first letter, the beginning sound, and you can check the picture to make sure that the beginning sound of that word in the picture matches. And if they do, you can probably figure out that tricky word. So we're practicing this skill so that we can use it while we are reading. It is a skill that can help us figure out tricky words. So let's pretend like we are stuck on a word in a book and we're going to check the picture. We see a red mushroom. Mushroom. What is that beginning sound that we hear? M. Is that an S, an M, or a P? Mushroom. It is an M, so we are going to match the M to the picture of the mushroom. Let's look at the next picture. It is a penguin. Penguin. Do we hear an S or a P? Penguin. We hear a P. We can match the P to the picture of the penguin. And last but not least, we see the picture of the stairs. Stairs. And the only letter we have left is the S. And S does say. So today, friends, we are going to be looking at pictures, thinking about what we see, and matching the beginning sound or the first letter to the picture.